My name's Alex Mortimer. I'm a retired racing driver, and that's sort of how this whole journey started for me. Had a lifetime in motorsport and been successful, or I've been really happy with how it's gone. I've got a British GT title to my name. We've won at the Spa 24 Hours. Got my full BRDC membership. Raced at Le Mans. So it's been a great career. But you get older and you get slower. And ultimately, I knew I still wanted to work around these sort of cars. And luckily, I had the opportunity with my two business partners. We started Composites manufacturing business and repair business 8 years ago now. We've grown and grown. But that's a separate business to Dissident. But we learned doing that how to manufacture high-end carbon parts, essentially, because we're manufacturing for a number of the F1 teams, we're manufacturing for a number of the OEMs, typically the niche vehicle departments of those. Dissident was a culmination of everything that we'd learned doing that over the past 8 years. And it was our foray into making our own parts, which has been one hell of a journey. And I'm delighted with how it's gone so far. But yeah, Dissident was born 2 years ago so that we could bring our own designs to life and really bring our own style and flavour at the moment to 911s and GT4 and various 911s and sort of 718 platform. I just want to make sure that we're continuing to grow the lineup. My concentration right now is we have a lot of 992 products, and I'm trying to make it the one-stop shop for a 992 owner who wants to bring high quality aftermarket parts to their car to bring a bit of our Dissident style to it. We're a long way through that already with what you've seen in production and around us at the moment. We're soon to launch our fixed wing variant, so it gives people that aero kit style vibe, and also a large fixed ducktail. That really will give people options on making your 992 truly a Dissident 992. I can see us doing more of the wheel lineups and just variants basically. Dissident is an aftermarket manufacturer of high quality carbon parts. We also have our own range of wheels that's growing by the day, and essentially we bring quality styling and OEM-grade fitment to aftermarket parts. Most popular product for Dissident at the moment is our 992 mini ducktail, we call it. It's what the car's equipped with here. We offer it also for 992 Targa and Cabriolet. We have a 991.2 variant and a 991.1 variant, so we've got all bases covered. It's been super popular, mainly because it adds a real nice little bit of style to the back of the car. Fitment time, 15 minutes. No electrical mods required, so super easy. So it's been a go-to for a lot of Porsche owners. Thought process behind all our designs is ultimately, I want to make it look like something that should be there. We see a lot of overblown aftermarket products, and that is absolutely not what we're about. What we're about is adding a real touch of class, uplifting the material palette on the car. So a lot of these cars are cloaked in plastic, which I don't love, and we wanted to bring that sort of high-end automotive finish, which is invariably carbon. That's the sort of finishes you see. We spend a lot of time making sure that the look and feel of the part is right, and just making sure it looks like potentially one of the OEM sort of niche vehicle departments might have put that on there on a special edition. That's the feeling we're trying to achieve with our parts. Design 911 has a huge reach, right? You guys have been around for a long time, super established in the marketplace with a loyal customer base that trusts you, and that's why I think your business has thrived. So it's been great working with Design 911. You haven't messed around. All of our negotiations were fantastic, and I'm really glad that they're holding stock of our parts now and have been, fairly frantically ordering, which has been great to satisfy customer demand. I really enjoyed the relationship so far, and hopefully just the start. Our 992 that's behind me today has our carbon front lip, carbon side sills, carbon door triangles, and our visual carbon mini ducktail with visual carbon accent showing. Also got our Dissident DD1 wheels and carbon wheel shroud kit. So a lot of carbon on this car behind me. As you mentioned, we have just moved into the 718 market. We always get requests from 718 owners saying, don't forget us. And that's what we've done. We've done a GT4 package, a carbon pack for that car, rear wing, front splitter, a few front curtain variants, again, door triangles, standard door triangles, anti-buffeting door triangles. So that should really hopefully play into 718 GT4, and the Spider market, Spider RS, GT4 RS. So we'll see, hopefully customers will vote with their feet and will enjoy it. And if they do, we will make more for that lineup. What would I want Dissident to be known for in 3 words? Number 1, quality. That underpins it all. There's just no point in working in this market if the parts don't fit right and they don't go onto the car properly. So number 2, style. There's no point in having something that's beautiful quality but actually looks awful. So I think those 2 boxes are absolute essentials we have to do. Number 3 in this market is just lead time. We focus really hard on having sensible lead times. We don't want to be up at 90 days from an order, because if I buy something, I want to enjoy it relatively quickly. I think most people take on board that these parts are handmade. They're not squeezed out of an injection molded plastic mold. This is humans making it and trimming it and curing it and painting it. So there is a lead time, but we try and keep everything pretty sensible. All of the carbon fibre parts that Dissident has are made here in the UK. We manufacture our own designs. We don't do the easy thing, which is just to take an original Porsche part and take a mould from that. We inject our own style. So we have our own design engineers who draw the parts we want in CAD. We manufacture all the tooling in England. We CNC mill all our patterns, take carbon moulds and make pre-preg autoclave cured carbon fibre parts in Peterborough. That's where all our stuff is made for us. And I think that does set us apart from most, because what you see typically is people will import stuff from other countries. They're not their own designs. They can't verify their fitments. Ultimately, when we're shipping globally, just like you guys are with our parts here, we have to know when it's heading out to the Far East or to America that it's going to go on the car, it's going to fit right. And doing it the way we've done it, by having that design control, manufacturing control, it's fantastic.